Si Tolosa represents Peñalosa Boxing Stable in Bicutan. Ito namang si Raymart Soledad ay from DMC Promotions.
They are battling sa super lightweight, partner. 140.
Yes. There you have it. Early success by Raymart Soledad. That right upper is certainly a punch to look out for.
Sabi nga natin, kailangan na magkaroon tayo ng breeding ground dito sa mga malalaking weight division. It's, I think, napapanahon na para makilala naman tayo sa much heavier division.
Alam mo, the more the merrier. The more they are, the more we have chances of having quality fights, quality opponents, quality sparring partners. So, mas marami, mas maganda. Just heavy forward pressure by Soledad in round 1. Upper hook, upper, going to that midsection. Battering the head and the body is Soledad. Tolosa signaling something. Our referee, Elmo Coloma, trying to check what that is.
Medyo unpredictable kung ano yung nangyari. Did he caught with the low blow or natamaan siya ng isang magandang legitimate punch?
Right.
Kasi kailangan bigyan ng authority ng referee kung ano ba talaga yung tumamang suntok doon. Ayan, makikita natin sa replay, partner. Tumalikod kasi yung Tolosa, tumilikod siya.
It was, that's it. I think it was a little low nga.
A little low, okay. So kasi hindi malinaw.
Naka-crouch din kasi si Eric Tolosa kanina. But thank you sa ating replay, no?
Tsaka yung official, hindi rin niya somewhat nakita kung it was a little bit low or what. Buti na lang may instant replay tayo.
Yes. There you go. It's changing on the inside, both boxers. It's just a matter of who's landing. And right now, Soledad is having some success.
Isa lang ang very clear dito sa round na to. Talagang yung Raymart Soledad, meron talagang punching power.
Definitely. But Tolosa landed with that overhand. Hook, straight hook by Soledad there. Another overhand by Tolosa. Soledad must not be distracted, no, with those haymakers, and just stick to his long-range punches and that shot to the body. Yung kanyang right upper. Again,
Yung mga nanonood sa atin dito, in the all walks of life, may bata, merong mga senior, at merong mga nasa middle age na nag-enjoy ng boxing na to. Given to you live by Elorde TV dito sa San Isidro, Nueva Ecija. congratulations dun sa unang sigaw celebration nila.
Yes, watching us also is Herlan Sixto Gomez. Watching from Thailand. Good luck daw kay Raymart Soledad. Itong si Herlan Gomez, if I'm not mistaken, is coming from
A win.
In Dubai? Tama ba?
In Thailand yata.
Thailand.
If I'm not mistaken, Thailand.
There you have it. Eric Tolosa again is signaling something on his, it seems to be
this time,
a low blow. Let's
partner,
see.
On the belt line, partner. On the belt line. So, mahirap talaga mas distinguish kung ano talaga. Pero, according to referee, it's a little bit low. This time, it's very clear na low blow daw, sabi ng referee.
Yes. Here we go. You are watching Soledad versus Tolosa, round number 2. 2 minutes to go. Tolosa with that right overhand seems to be banking on that one shot.
That looping punch by Tolosa could probably his bread and butter.
Right. Pero yun nga, medyo nakikita na rin din kasi ni Soledad, so he's able to just step back and then
siguro Raymark must stay patient and work his punches, maybe flick some jabs para makakonect siya ng magandang punch. But
he's doing quite well, with that step back. Pero yun nga, mahirap kasi counter when you're out of range.
Tsaka malakas pa rin talaga yung malakas yung haymaker nung Tolosa. Once na you get caught with that haymaker, ay medyo may kalalagyan ka din.
Yun naman, double haymakers, but a sacrifice by Soledad, eating those haymakers to counter with those hooks, no? Minsan you need to get some to give some. Sabi nga nila.
Tama yung corner ni Soledad, sabi niya, you flick the jab and you set up your power punches. Kasi hindi mo makukuha yan ng isang buhos lang or isang power punch lang. So, kailangan may diskarte ka rin talaga.
Right, especially yung si Tolosa, medyo unpredictable din gumalaw. Is really, another huge overhand by Tolosa. Soledad answers with a hook and a jab.
Sabi ni Mao Chitong, i-timing daw yung straight ni Raymark. Isa lang timing. That's the perfect world. Kailangan talaga time his shots and work his power punches. Hindi yun talaga malalaglag lang sa yon just because nagbitaw ka na. Kaya you must set it up para maganda yung patama mo.
Well said, partner. Here we go. Round number 3. Tolosa versus Soledad. Here we go, round number 3. Soledad in the white trunks, Eric Tolosa in the black and green trunks. Tolosa flicking that jab early on. Soledad answers with the double right hands. There you have it. Soledad must stick to the counter that lands, Since he sees those telegraph punches ni Tolosa, he must stay composed, and stick to his game plan. Ito namang si Tolosa, yun nga,
Sabi ni Mariel de la Cruz, pa-shoutout daw po kay Baby Dynamite at kay Ninong Alvin. salamat po.
Shoutout, Madam. Nako, si Coach Bong Arizala, maraming salamat naman po.
Si Coach Bong nasa China yata, no?
Oo,
Nasa
talaga
China.
ba? Nako, sarap naman. Lamig dyan. Ngayon, ano ba ngayon? Paano na dyan, pa-winter kung nandun siya sa part na nagwe-winter sa China.
Kasama niya si Dan Nazareno yata. Sabi ni Matt Dovin, I'm waiting for the fight of Gino Rodrigo. I think dalawa pang fight, then yung main event na natin si Gino Rodrigo na po. Nice 1-2 combination by Soledad. Oh! Titingnan natin sa replay. Titingnan natin kung ano tumama pa talaga o talagang look at it. Titingnan natin sa replay. Actually, we will see it again.
A little ano kasi, no?
Ayan na, partner. Ayan, we will see it again, ha? I think it is on the belt line. For me, opinion ko sa belt line yon. Para sa akin, it's not low.
For me naman, I think it's a little low kasi tumalon siya.
Pero iba-iba.
So kapag tumalon ka, parang nasa scrunch up yung shorts. But well, it really is up to the referee. No?
Pero
siyempre, babalansayin natin.
Judgment ng referee yun. Sabi ng referee, it's a low blow. So, 3 low blow na yun kung titignan mo. Given to Raymar Soledad. Pero
ang hirap kasi malikot na fight to eh. Sabi ni Coach Bong, Idol Alvin, awatin mo, magkakapikunan na daw sila. Sino yan, Coach Bong?
Siguro yung lumalaban. What a combination by Soledad.
An upper by Soledad. And the hook to the head. Our referee consults our alam mo, actually, yun nga, no? A warning given to Soledad by our referee Elmo Coloma. Coach is consulting with our ringside officials also.
I don't know.
There you have it. End of the round. End of the round. Like I said. Here we go, round 4, Soledad versus Tolosa. Soledad early jabbing by Soledad. Tolosa also answers with that jab. Ayun, yun nga, like I said, trying to find that overhand. But Soledad targets the body again and again. That left hook constantly lands for Soledad also. A very entertained crowd here in San Isidro, Nueva Ecija at the JF Sports Complex.
Alam mo, magandang comment ito ni Mark Ezekiel Abrio. Sabi niya, with that 4, according to the referee, may 4 na low blow. It's all warning and did not given deduction. So, malalaman natin yan. I mean, tinatanong lang niya, with 4 low blow, all warnings and no deduction. So, by rule book, malalaman natin a little bit later kung ano ang verdict dyan.
Alam mo, it's easy to check naman. No? GAB has its own rule book, and if whatever is nakasaad doon, it's something that we can refer to. No?
I think Raymart is very cautious right now on hitting the body kasi baka one punch na tumama at low blow, he could get disqualified. Di ba? Sabi ni Patenyo Genovas Chan, pa-shoutout ang idol ko si Marian Joper Alberio, watching from Macabuyao, Laguna, waiting for Joji Pakamalan fight. Thank you for watching. A minute left on this fight. Exchange for both fighter. What an animated crowd dito sa San Isidro, Nueva Ecija. 20 seconds left on this fight. Okay. We will go to the judges' scorecard.
There you have it. Alam mo, partner, nakita ko dito sa elibrary.judiciary.gov.ph, Article 55 ng ating rules sa Games and Amusements Board. Sa boxing, we have our own rules, of course, here in the Philippines. Regarding the fouls, hitting below the belt, the no foul rule refers to blows delivered below the belt and means that a boxer cannot be credited with a victory. The offending boxer may, that's the operative word, may be penalized by having points deducted from his score, and the fouled boxer may be given a 3-minute rest period to recuperate. May. So ibig sabihin, it's nasa discretion ng judge yun.
So yung to make that sentence a little bit short, yung referee pa rin ang magdidesisyon.
Right.
Even though nagkaroon ng 4 na low blows at he did not deduct anyone kasi yun ang pakiramdam niya.
He deems that it's not intentional.
Yun ang pakiramdam niya na hindi intentional yung low blow. Kaya even though 4 na low blow na yon, warning pa lang ang binigay niya. Pero ang bawat referee ay iba-iba.
Tama.
So kung may ibang referee na after 2 feeling niya talagang sinasadya, he will deduct you. Pero ang discretion na sa referee on this bout, feeling niya hindi sinasadya talaga.
Huwag kayo magtaka kung sa ibang fights, ganun, na-deducta na. Kasi nga, we are interpreting the rules differently, no? Lalo kapag we have a decision coming from the referee, yun, we have to respect that.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the scores of the 3 judges after 4 rounds of boxing. Leonidas scores about 39-37. Donald Reyes scores about 39-37. And Tony Comia finds it 38-38. We have a winner by majority decision, Raymond Soledad.
So Raymark Soledad getting the nod of the